You were part. Just a statement. You were all present in court. The arguments were simple. The defendant was not in court, having been whisked away by a person under immunity. We addressed the court on that, and we urged the court to direct service on this counsel who was present in court. The counsel declined to accept service, and the court has adjourned for ruling on that. Additionally, the court has adjourned for arraignment. Additionally, we have informed the court that by virtue of Section 287 of the Constitution, all persons are obliged to obey the court order. The court order is for its production on the next adjourned date, and the state will ensure that it's produced in court. Section 12 of AJA also allows a law enforcement agent to break down any premises where a defendant may be hiding. And so the state will invoke all its powers within the law to ensure that it's produced in court for the purpose of arraignment, and it's in his own interest. So he can come and plead his innocence, or he can take his plea as to whatever he wants to say. That's all we have to say.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.